Hello. Today I'm going to be doing resistance band training, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing it lying down. So this is inside a dance room. However, it's what we're doing. We're imitating a situation where if you're in the bed, you can loosen the bed anytime you want, or on a sofa, or if you're in a hotel, or even a hospital and you're not really mobile, this is a great way for you to do exercise as well, and to have some core resistance training as well using resistance bands. Hopefully this will help you out. Give it a try. This is going to be a full set of 5 videos doing stretches. We're going to be doing upper body, lower body, core, and back. Okay? So we're going to do a range of series of videos where we'll introduce this as well. So each video won't be too long like the previous ones. It'll be short snippets of each different section, but this will be lying down, okay? How about you join us? So today, as I said, we'll start with the upper body. And we normally have the 4 bands, but for lying down, I think we don't have to be too strenuous. We can use the advanced band, which is our red band, okay? And obviously, if you want to go for a bigger sweat, you want to start working out more, by all means, certain muscle groups. For lower body, you can jump onto the high strength bands as well. But we'll start with the red. All the routines, as we said, are printed on the bands when you buy them. So as you do the exercises, just read it off and do the exercises. Lying down, there'll be a slight variation on the movements because these bands, the exercises were made for standing up. However, it's quite flexible, as you'll see. Shoulder press. Same as if we're standing. Stand on it. And put into the shoulder. Oop, careful there. If you want to, if you're not really certain or sure about the foot there in the positioning, tie it around once. Okay? That will definitely make it more secure. And then you can put on one foot, and we're pushing it up completely. They said you can hold it lower down for tighter strength or wider. So the yellow band is pretty much for ladies and for teenagers. The yellow band is, if I'm correct, it's 15 to 30 pounds. So if you're a gentleman and you start doing your heavy leg exercise on it, the band can snap, okay? So that's a heads up. Front side raises. Single or double layer, up to you, against the foot. And then we're opening up. That's just lateral raises, lateral side raises. It's great for shoulders. And then the front. Okay. Okay, so push-ups, so equivalent push-ups is like a chest press. So if you can't lie, okay, assume we can't sit up. You can squeeze it around your back here and treat it like a bench press. Okay, tighter band to lower it down, or hold the band lower. Okay, so that's a bench press. If you want to go for different chest muscles, push lower down, go for lower chest or upper chest. You go up 45 degrees. Okay. Single hand, so face pull. So face pull, I was thinking how to do it, because obviously with face pull we normally have a bar and then we pull it to our face. So what I think is a great option is doing a single hand face pull. So all you do is you hold the left hand straight and the other arm, we're pulling it to our face. Okay. We can shorten the band more to get more tension. And elbows go out, but we're doing each single arm, okay? And that's great for the shoulder, back scapular muscle. Thanks for staying tuned. We'll start off with doing some stretches first before we start using the band, but that'll be next stage. How about you join me? What I've done is I've placed a towel underneath here. So assume this is your bed, you're gonna have a bit of a sweat. So you wanna put a towel underneath on your bed as well to prevent your sheets or your pillow getting wet as well. Obviously your pillow, you can change the pillow color, so that's not an issue, okay? So always be prepared for working out and for sweating, okay? Because you're gonna have a sweat when you finish this. Okay, let's get started. Bands, okay? Okay. Tune in, please smash the like button, smash the subscription button, also put on the bell, and stay tuned for more videos, okay?